as the cope cage is supposed to stop drones from attacking and dropping ordnance. Now Russia even put hatches on the cope cage, which they of course leave open when abandoning the tank, making the job for the Ukrainian drone operators a lot easier, as they can drop an anti-tank personnel grenade into the tank, resulting in a complete destruction, showing Russia's solution is often poor and more than undone with the crew operating the equipment, as the tank is a lot better protected with closed hatches compared to the cope cage. But as the crew doesn't even close the hatches, the cope cage has become even more worthless. Now, as the crew takes it a step further, the irony can't be stated enough, possibly wanting the Ukrainian drone army to destroy the tank, resulting either way in another Russian tank lost, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.